Today I will talk about the importance of plot reversal. I will divide it into 2 points. The first point is the reversal may not explode for sure, but the explosions are basically reserved. Many researchers show that all explosions are found to have the following characters. Either can meet other people's guess or can exceed other people's expectations, meaning the audience just likes to be abused or to be recognized. The second point is to learn the real suitable reversal. In fact, many people's reversals are actually hard reversals, which are overturning the logic they built before. Be without the so-called the construction sense. Only a reversal that fits the plot is a really good reversal.